There is nothing worse than having a website, blog, e-commerce site, anything like that, and for some reason it's down and you really don't know about it until somebody messages you. How long's it been down, and how much money have you lost? Hi, I'm Troy from SonicServe, and I'm going to show you a tool here that we're offering. It's absolutely free. You just go to sonicserve.com, go to the tools, and then click on the website monitor. Once you can sign up, like I said, it's totally free. And let's see here, we're going to sign in. And once you're in here right now, this is your dashboard, and currently down, I do not have any websites down. And these here, it shows me when it goes out and checks the website to see if it's up or down. Right now, they're all up and online. So I'm going to go to my server manager, and in here, this is SonicServe. It's been online. I can go and look at the statistics for it. 100% up today. It's been online for 6 days, 8 hours. It's been on longer than that, but that's when I added it to this system here. The last load time, so it tells you how long it takes to load it, which is pretty cool. So you can adjust it and make it a little bit, the load time a little bit less. Last off time is never, so it's never been down since I've been running this system here. So the load times today, it shows you like the peak and stuff like that. Like at 123, I had, maybe more people were on it, so it took a little bit longer for it to load. But it tells you all your stats here in the background. And I have this one set up. You can set it up every minute. You really don't want to do that. I've done that before. And for some reason, if you haven't, if the server that we're on and the server you're on, and they don't, if they clash a little bit, then you're going to get a notification that your website's down, and then a minute later you're going to get another notification that it's back up. It happens occasionally, once or twice a week maybe. So what I've done in here is, in my server manager, I click on my edit over here. So I just put a display name so I know what it is, and this is the website that I wanted to check. And then I check every 60 minutes online, so every hour. I don't need it every minute to check on it. So every hour it checks to see if the website's up, and then I can it sends me an email. My push bullet is disabled at the moment, but what you can do with the push bullet is you get a little notification, sort of like if I come back over to the site here. This is not actually push bullet, but you're going to get a little notification down on your screen like this, so it would tell you right on your monitor if your site is down or not. So it's very easy to go add a site. I'm just going to go back to my server manager again here, and I'm going to click on add, and let's just go Google. It was in there. And then the website to check. And I'm just going to do this one every minute. It's not disabled at the moment, so I can disable it so it doesn't monitor this. I'm going to click on add, and the cron job in the back end, I have it set up so it does check every single minute. So where I have it set up as a minute, it'll check every minute. But if I use like 60 minutes on my other websites, it'll only do that 1 hour. So what I have to do is I have to wait for the cron job to do its thing. It can take up to a minute. Let's try this again. Let's do a refresh on it. So here it is. It's already done it. It's online right now. Let's get a response code of 200, 301. If you mouse over it, moved permanently. Okay. The load time, as you can see, 0.11 seconds on Google. So that's pretty cool. So you have your notifications over here. You have this one here with an external widget. You have desktop notifications. email notifications, and push bullet notifications. So I can go in and I can change all those. So I have an external widget. I'm actually going to turn that off. I don't need that on. So what that will do is allow me to take some code and put it onto another website, and so that way another website you can monitor from another website as well. Your desktop notifications, of course, send you an email or your push bullet. You can go in here. You don't, it doesn't have to be a website that you own. You can just go and you can put any website in there. So this one here, this is Charlie's Motor Mall, and it's uptime at 97.14. Total uptime is 99.69%. So time offline, it says 30 minutes, but again, I only check it once every hour, so it could have been down, not that long, but the whole hour. So I'm getting messages over here, and it's not because of our website down. So I can go into my history up here and look at the history of each of my websites. Push Bullet is a free service. You can just go to pushbullet.com, sign up for a free service, put in your Push Bullet access token, and then once that's in there, then you'll get your little notifications on your screen. You have your help here on the widgets. So this is your widget URL. This is some PHP code or JavaScript or anything like that, or even an iframe. So you can take an iframe and you can put it into any website and keep an eye on that as well. So this is Website Monitor. Like I said, you can just go to SonicServe.com, click on Tools, and then click on Website Monitor, and you can use it absolutely free, and you can get notified every single time that your website goes down.